Gedi. His name is Gedi. He lives in Shedder village, where has been affected by the Sagar cyclone. Yes, هي كور ما واحد وقف طيب.
قولت هاد نقطة. برقود بارك يوقف.
هي.
بريد دوفات نقطة. تايبه نوع رأي نوع جري نسي. وقاعد يجينا شغال بيرو هو. مريل بحين وقاعد.
Everything has been devastated by the Sagar cyclone, and now we are happy. We are just having a water well here, pipes and water pump machines. And land cultivation and preparation. We have got also seed. Now we are nearly to harvest our farms now. So we are very happy with SHF and Taakulo Somali community for their assistance.
إلا هامي اللي بيجوا فري تبوي. وحول تبرد أد وحلفين أنا نوير تعبشوا. ضاد بناي. أنا اللي نقع ونقع تبرد ضاد.
We have also got some spray machines for the insects, and we are still fear of another cyclone to be and happen. So we need more our farms to be protected with the gabion. Yeah. This area was being cultivated and have been with the watermelons, but it has been devastated. But now we resume our life is back to normal. We are extremely happy with the assistance from SHF. Thank you. Yeah.
What matters?
Okay, thank you.